Hi, Dr. Ramos. So today I'm going to show you my math journal. So this is the journal that I kept during the math semester. We have module 1 here. Module 1. This one we went over the base 10 system, decimals, this is module 2. So about these notes, during the school year, I would actually go back and I would do the ones that were on the lecture notes that were for each module. We have module 3. Because a lot of the notes that I did during class, they kind of look like chicken scratch, but I understood them. I understood those notes. So I'm going to show you the ones I did take during class as well, but these are the ones for the modules that I took after class on my own time after class, using the little lecture notes slideshows that you had, and they were very, very helpful. I loved it. It helped me to organize all my notes and make them look cute, make them look put together, and made it easier for whenever I had homework. We're on to module 4. And I was worried at first because I didn't know if my notebook would be big enough, because we did cover a lot of concepts during the year, but it fit just right, and so I'm so grateful. We have module 5, and I do use a lot of whiteout. I just love to use pen, which is a really bad habit, but I just love how pretty the pen looks on the page. So I do use a lot of it, but this is probably my favorite part, the little powers of 10 table. I did module 6. And I was doing good up to module 6. But then I ended up losing my notebook. But I did have my backup notebook. So this was one of the notebooks that I used during the school year. And it was just a really beat up notebook, but I have a lot of different notes on it. So I ended up using this notebook to do module 7. But this would have all been on the same page. And I think this was the module where it was a video. I know that you had a lot of things going on, so it was a video that we were to watch, and then so I took some notes on it. A little class activity. And then I think this is the last one. So that was module 7. And then our last module is module 8. You'll probably see that I use for number, I'll sometimes just use the number symbol because it's a little quicker and easier for me to use. So those are all of my modules for the lecture notes. So these are the ones that I would take after class, and I would have them stored. And of course this one on this notebook that was not supposed to happen, but I have no idea where I ended up losing my notebook, but I found it. It was in my room underneath all my different bed sheets